Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso salam, welcome to the channel y'all, Cheshni Action Mash. So again, I'm here with the guys in the wash meet. We have Charlie, we have Phil and we have Chris. They're taking all the stuff down, make room. This is the machine that we're going to be working on. Well, I'm the cameraman. This is the machine that they're going to be working on today. Now, I know you can see two lump hammers on the floor, but I swear to God that dent is not because of it. It fell over and landed on its front and caused a dent. We have got the Zanussi Essential 1200 6 kilogram. Here we have the programs. This is a washer dryer. So you've got the dryer and also the washing cycles as well. Controller speed, pre-wash, intensive, super quick, extra rinse, and then there's the dry in time, wash, dry, end. I can't remember what filming this. Time. Anybody watching this, you'll be able to tell. Right, okay. That's the introduction.
Bearings with the bearing box, go back in a minute.
So this is having new bearings on it, is it?
Yeah. Drum bearings and spider.
Drum bearings and spider. They've got the parts brand new.
Oh, second-hand bearings. I think.
Second-hand bearings, new spider.
Yeah, I wouldn't mess it with this lid, so because they're shit lids.
Yeah.
Like that, stay there. They can get it apart and get the drums out, can't they?
Yeah.
So, are you guys doing it as well, or is it just...
No.
Yeah. I mean, that's...
Go for it. I don't
Right,
care.
okay, Charlie's doing it.
They'll just done.
I'll be there.
Oh, no, I'm
You
sorry, I need
I
to
will
get
not film it.
No,
Don't worry.
Okay.
Oh, hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. Maybe not.
Is this going to turn into a short rather than a video?
Oh, that's better.
What was it rumble for?
I don't know.
You trust it?
No, I don't.
No.
No, let's just do it anyway, it's fine.
Well, get the back off. It might be something stuck in the back. Is there anything?
A body.
One sec, you need to fucking get... It's one of those ones where it needs the bolt things instead.
Socket.
Yeah.
Socket, yeah.
Well, it's out.
No, I've not fucking done it yet.
Oh.
Wait a second. Jesus Christ.
What's wrong with them?
Patience. It's alright, it's all done.
No, we've done it.
I've done it.
That sounded bearing you.
Yeah,
I
I
did not
think
like
it.
it.
Did. No, I don't. It's gone dead quiet now.
Do it the other direction.
It sounded raw.
Yeah,
It sounded like they dropped or something like that.
I think it was something catching in. No, it can't have been.
No.
There's nothing for it to catch.
Pull the top forward. There's nothing going in the machine, so yeah,
I would not trust
No,
it.
let's scrap it.
Scrap it?
Scrap it.
Oh, I thought we were doing the bearings.
No, I don't
Steel
trust
drum,
it.
you idiot.
You said it was a split drum.
Don't take
Put it in
everything
your
I say.
leg.
Oh, so you can't do bearings
No.
then?
No.
Oh, you twonge.
All I want off of this is the dryer box, dryer unit.
Okay, so this
I'll
is
take
turned
the
from a
board.
refurb because Chris and me being so gullible, knowing nothing.
I did think it was. I was going to say.
I know lots.
Yeah.
That's the wrong screw for the lid. That's why.
Yeah, I know.
So we're just salvaging parts of this.
Yeah. I
Jingle
can't be arsed with it. I mean, Chris,
jingle
you remember this is the one we got back from that woman?
Yes,
Where
I
it's all
do
got hot
remember
points.
it
So
now.
to be
Yeah.
honest, it's probably a good idea, really.
Yeah, because it was making a heck of a racket, wasn't it?
Yeah. No, the board isn't usable.
Is that... Oh, did you realise that I got that?
No, I didn't. So I won't take the board now.
No, that's knackered.
Yeah.
What a shame.
Yeah.
It's a
Knackered.
nice machine, to be fair.
All because it fell on its face.
We
It was
used
sitting
it,
there.
didn't we? We used
They are
it.
nice machines.
Sure,
Yeah, they
we
are
filmed
really
it.
nice.
Do you want to keep the triple valve as well?
Yeah, keep that. I'm going to keep the door sealed because that'll clean up. It's only surface mould.
Hmm.
Motor will weigh in because it's just a motor. That belt I'll keep.
That's gone off the dry unit, isn't it?
That's true.
We need to undo the back Jubilee clips
Off you
here.
go. I'll get my scrap guy in now.
Well, that's going to work, isn't it?
Do you want me to hold all the screws?
No, because they're in the bin. We don't
What?
need them.
No, but keep... No, if you don't, I'll have them then.
All right. Why do you want screws?
Oh,
They're
you
always
order.
handy. I've got Zanussis, remember?
Good point.
And you've got my Zanussi.
Oh, there's rust there now as well.
Is there? Oh,
Yeah, in the
chuck
bin.
it, Phil.
Yeah.
It's seen better days.
Seen better days. It's come off the Titanic.
Well, it's come off of that ramp again.
Oh, there's the offending ramp.
Yeah. I had it on that ramp, I was just doing something with it and I leant against it ever
Oh,
so slightly.
no.
Literally, I just went like that.
Splat.
He won't make that mistake again, will he?
No, I won't. It was just as I was finishing up with it as well.
Do you want the waist hose as well?
Yes.
No, it's got a massive squash in it.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
It's
yeah.
flat as a
Bin.
pancake.
Then,
Look, it's got the junk on it.
yeah. I went to all that effort of changing this thing as
twisted.
well, because this was, do you remember this was what was making the noise?
Yeah.
I need a flat edge just to...
Oh, and it fixed it.
Yeah.
Oh no.
What are you doing?
Can we take a lump hammer to it?
There's one on the floor.
Could you chuck brakes in it?
No.
That'll get views.
Yeah.
Yeah. For your channel.
No, yours. I'll film it for you.
No, I don't want to do that.
Okay, well I'll have it.
Right, so you can do
I'll send you the money.
You keep the
Millions.
pulley belt.
Pulley, yeah, because
Well,
they're
you need to
plastic.
get, you need to
aren't
get a 17mm socket and bullshit for that.
Sounds fine now.
they? Yeah, I know.
Don't trust it though.
No, I don't. That was weird. Are they your tools? Oh.
Ew.
Oh, okay,
Decent
that's
tools.
not good. Yeah.
Then,
I was going to buy
Bin
a
involved.
set of screwdrivers. That way.
then,
So why is
Oh,
this
I'm
not
just going to buy
fucking
them from the
moving?
pound shop.
Yeah, I was going to say, stuck under that.
who's had all my sockets?
Not me. There was a box of them.
I've got them here.
Yeah, my phone.
2017.
Oh God, you've got to be joking.
No.
Are they the ones that I bought you for Christmas? 5 sets?
No, you never bought me a
No,
set for
Chris.
What?
I bought you a set of 3 sockets of some size
No.
and
You
you
make
always
two T20
lose.
screwdrivers.
That's it.
11.
One of which is in the box.
Where's the T20? Where's the T20?
In the
I've
box.
lost my T20. I can't find my T20.
Fucking hell.
100.
All the screws for me.
9.
13. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Edit. Beep,
17.
beep, beep. So what are you doing there, Charlie, my friend?
I am taking the ducts off.
Yes.
There we go, there's the bloody Jubilee, or whatever that clip is called. Well, to be fair, you can take the front panel off, mate, can't you?
Yeah, would you
Yeah,
take
I'm
the door
going to
seal?
weigh that in.
Yeah, he wants the door seal. He's going to clean up.
Yeah. Right, hold,
Oh, yeah,
hold the drum, somebody.
Oh yeah, you can put it up on the door, so.
Somebody holding the drum?
Yeah.
Oh, wrong way. Come on.
Sort your life out.
That's got it. That'll do.
There we go, there's the return brand for it as
Yeah,
well.
I'm not putting my hand in there again.
Ow!
You're right.
Ow,
Keeping the door band. I'll keep that for you, right?
Yeah, you can have it. Keep that.
Yeah, that'll be handy.
Wheel.
A wheel.
Jubilee clip.
I need.
$1.
Alive.
No, I mean.
10 mil.
Oh, can I use that?
Whatever it is, yeah, 10 mil, I think.
8, isn't it?
Can I use the black?
Yeah.
Have a pulley bolt.
Thank you. Oh yeah, that's quite handy. Actually,
Actually.
I'm done with you. Oh, he's coming out to help.
Where's that one?
Oh, for Pete's sake, get in. There we are.
Huh?
That's it, there we go.
Okay.
Top. Oh, I need a long 10 as well.
Phillips. I'll get you one in a minute. What do you want?
Phillips screwdriver.
For what?
Sorry. Just take it.
Oh, it's already owned.
That's the one.
Hey, David.
We'll
think of the table? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, do you not know I've taken up carpentry lessons?
How you going to cut it out in circles with a small drill?
Yeah, we can't find a drill bit
You're not
big
so you
enough.
took your fucking
The
hand.
drill the right size.
Sorry?
Tabs there.
Ah,
Oh,
gotcha.
yeah, you haven't got anything. We can make the holes, but we can't a file.
There we go.
One of them cut a hole. He just did that and stuck. Yeah, it's in the lock somewhere.
Let's unscrew that as well. Fucking ask, because it's that. No, it comes up separately.
Where's the other screw? Down there.
Okay, and that's what's left of the Zanussi after all the parts have been taken off. I have got the screws in my pocket, so I keep them for my Zanussis. But that is it now, that is going to be scrapped. So, little short video there for you guys. Ta-da!